Good morning. I'm at Sawalto, right?
Yeah.
Sawalto. I'm here at Swap Shop. Finally putting some tints on this car because driving with no tints in Florida, it's it's crazy. So I'm finally putting some tints on this car. Like I said, it's been a month now, and every day that I drive this car, it's honestly a pain because, of course, no tints. Everyone can see inside, and obviously the tint is peeling in these areas and so on and so forth. So alright guys, so this is the finished product of the tint. I did go with 5%, so yeah, obviously you can still see out of it. And then of course I went with the window strip in the front. See, 5% all the way around, obviously except the windshield, because I'm not gonna tint the windshield as yet, because I do have something that I have to show you guys later on today. So we'll see how it goes. What's going on, guys? So right now, yes, I know it's late, but I guess it's a perfect time to try and clear these headlights a little bit, because I have a little surprise right there. Okay, so I'm gonna use this fucking water, and I think this is 1,000 grit, yes,
1,000 grit,
2,000, 1,000, something like that. I don't fucking know. One of those. The box is somewhere up there. I don't know. But I'm gonna use this in some water. I'm gonna try and wet sand the headlights, and then I'm gonna move up the grit all the way up to 2K, and then I don't know, see how it turns out. I have the clear coat ready, so we'll just see how the shit works.
I called the fellas
All right.
over.
After literally almost done. And then you do shit like that. Ow, that shit fucking hurt. Okay. Alright. So I don't have a 1500, so that one that I was just using, that was just 1,000. So bumping it up to 2K. And then do this, wet sand, and then I'm just gonna add a clear to see how it looks. Honestly, that's the best that I could get it right now with it being sanded. I just need to get it a little bit better than how it previously was before, because you can see how this one looks. This is with it being sanded, and then this is it without it being sanded. I don't know if you could see like the pieces and whatnot. This one is a little bit more smoother. This is the clear coat that I'm going to be using. It's probably not the best, honestly, but this is what I had laying around, so I'm gonna do the first coat. That's the fan that I have it on, or the nozzle size. So I don't know, I'm just gonna wing it, see what happens. We could make some arrangements.
That's weird. I don't like it.
Okay. I'm not gonna lie, I'm doing way too much to these lights because I'm not gonna keep these. So yeah, I'm doing way too much right now. But anyways, I'm about to put another coat on it, and that's gonna be the last coat. I'm just gonna call it a night with this one, and I'm just gonna continue on with the other one. And so while we're letting this dry, I got this LED bulb from Oxida. Kind of sound like Magneto. Oxida. Alright. So I'm not gonna be keeping these headlights for long. I am gonna get some LED headlights with the swoop, but I really need these headlights. Reason being is because I can't see jack shit out of this. For one, it aims mad low at the floor and it's yellow, right? So I got these nice LED bulbs from Oxida. They were kind enough to send me out a pair for both sides. So we're gonna open the box and we're gonna see anyways. So oh, okay, yeah, fancy. Okay, so you get gloves, right? Because you don't want to touch the bulbs with your oily hands, because obviously that can burn out the bulb. So put these up here. Alright, we got some gloves. We have the instruction manual. You see right here, Oxida. Instruction manual right there. Installation steps. You know, whole 9 yards. But we don't read instructions. We try it first. If we can't figure it out, then we may take a look at the instructions. And then, I'm not gonna lie, these are nice. I don't want to touch it right now in my hand. So I get me gloves. But I don't know if my sausage fingers are gonna be able to get into these shit.
Those are gloves for like a hobbit.
For like a fucking. Actually, I don't know. These are some of the stretchiest gloves I've ever seen in my life. And these are actually kind of comfy, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why I put it on my left hand, I'm right-handed. So this is the bulb, as you can see, very LED-like, right? And I believe this vent right here is obviously to cool the LED, you know. It has its own built-in fan in it. And as you can see, they have their logo right here. Yeah, they got their logo right there, right on top of it. So that's kind of cool. Everybody know, this is what I got, right? So let's do a before and after. And in case you guys don't know it yet, this is my 96 Civic with a 2000 front end. So please remember to always disconnect your battery terminal whenever you're working with any electricians or any electric thing in the car. Just disconnect your battery, because that should just shock me. So this is how these look, you know. This is the bulb that was in there before. This should work. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna have to clean this up a little bit, because I don't know what the hell is inside of that. But that looked like caramel. That's what it looks like, and that's fucking disgusting. Oxito. Alright. Get this without dropping anything. I hope this shit works. If not, it will be kind of sad. Push this all the way down like that. Just want to do a little comparison of before and after, and let's see if there's a difference or not. Now. shit. Bro, what? Damn, that shit is beautiful. Bro, look at this. You can't really tell. Actually, yes, you can. From this angle, that is completely yellow. That is completely white. I don't know if you could definitely tell the difference from which headlight is which. Like, holy crap. You could definitely tell the difference with this. That is crazy. I've never had a car with LED lights before, and that is super bright. This, I could steer directly into it. This one, barely. Can you flip the bright light? Oh, there you go. Wow. Hell yeah. And turn it off. Turn them on. Look at that. You could definitely tell which light is which. Completely bright white LED light from Oxido. Get your lights there. But yeah, I definitely have to upgrade your lights because as you can see, night and day difference. 100% recommend shop Oxido. Good product. Wow. Holy crap. Oh yeah, those are perfect. There you go. If you guys want some LED bulbs, make sure to hit up Oxido. I believe that's what the name is. Oxido. Make sure to hit them up. Like I said, I'll be giving you guys a discount code. Use my code. You could shop with them. And yeah, good install.